Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 MFA for a polished verification UI, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Auth0 dashboard. Log in to your Auth0 account. Navigate to the Applications section on the left panel. Select the application for which you want to enable multi-factor authentication. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Click on the Multi-Factor Auth tab. Enable the multi-factor authentication toggle. Choose the providers you wish to use for MFA, such as SMS, email, or authenticator apps. After selecting your providers, click Save Changes. Next, head to the Tenant Settings section. In the General tab, locate the Multi-Factor Authentication settings. Ensure that the required strategies are properly configured. Now, go to your application's codebase. Install the necessary Auth0 SDK if you haven't done so already. Integrate the MFA logic into your authentication flow. Use the appropriate Auth0 method for handling login requests. Implement error handling for MFA prompts and responses. Create a user interface for the MFA input screen. Design a polished and user-friendly verification UI. Use clear instructions to guide users through the MFA process. Style the UI to match your application's branding. Test your implementation thoroughly to ensure a seamless experience. Encourage users to enroll in MFA via a dedicated settings page in your application. Monitor your MFA usage metrics in the Auth0 dashboard. Finally, adjust configurations as necessary based on user feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.